Spunchy from England. Me send the barrel and Shade I go clear it. No, let me tell you the set of people there where I go get things out of the barrel. Shereen, me send tall human hair for you. Here it can't take iron, it can't take flat iron. One nice tall human hair. And Jamila, me send something for Amila. You hear? Me send some pin under and you see for yourself. Me send some bleaching cream so you keep up with the brownness. You hear? And white night, me send some CD. You see CD there, we just go bun them, you see? And send up some song, come give it. Do it? Me send some green shirt, because me say you love Labour Party, you know, you love Labour Party. So me send some green shirt. And June green, and when do you dance again? December how much? December 22nd. And when? And December how much? Me send something for you, decorate the party. If I just spot club with day, Shade, the barrel come before December 5th, you know. So you know, say, don't have prospect, I go turn up on that, you know, come here, I go send some only for decoration. Oh, me forgot. Give me and something out time. Me send some pressure tablet for him. Just give him there, you hear?